If you go to a career fair, every time I went, they'd be like, oh, you're in software? What do you want to do in software? And I'd be like, I don't know. And just the coding part. And so by going to my internship and trying a bunch of different aspects, I then came back, and when I was back in college and I was able to choose what kind of software classes I took, I realized I really like human-computer interaction. I like working on part of the code that people are going to see and work with. So I want to work more with front-end and user-facing code. And so I'm going to take classes that align with that. And then the next time I had an internship, I communicated, this is what I want to do. I want to work on front-end user-facing code. And they're like, oh, great. And then no longer am I going to a career fair trying to have someone just hire me for anything. I can be selective, and I can go for the companies or careers that I know will align with me instead of settling for something just for a job.